To set up eSIM on Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G, first of all, let's open settings on our device. Next step is to click on mobile networks right here, and then we can navigate to turn on eSIM. Click on this switch and keep in mind that it will replace your second physical SIM slot with eSIM. You cannot use two physical SIM slots, and eSIM, it needs to be like this right now. And then we can go to manage eSIM right there. And there's three options to add your eSIM. First one is to add eSIM, and this allows you to scan the QR code from the photo. You can also see the photo from the gallery and scan the QR code from there. You can also add your code manually instead right here. You can use the activation code and view device EID if needed. And another option is to discover eSIMs nearby. And last option is to transfer eSIM from another device. So if you have eSIM on your previous device, you can transfer it to this one. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.